To modern woodworkers, hand planes are maybe a little bit confusing, and people might wonder why you want different hand planes. I'm just going to show you a couple of hand planes that I have in my tools, um, and talk about those a little bit. Um, uh, a smoothing plane, which is a number 4 smoothing plane, very nice hand plane. This is a Lie Nielsen hand plane, kind of a top end premium hand plane, and it's made out of bronze, so it's quite heavy for a number 4 hand plane. And then a number 5 jack plane, which is kind of a knockoff brand. I think I inherited it from my father-in-law, and it still holds a nice sharp edge, and I'm able to use it to quickly kind of plane through, especially edge plane a lot of things. And then I have a 17 to 120-year-old Stanley Bedrock joiner plane, a number 7 joiner plane. So there's only one bigger, which is the number 8. So I'll show you those three. And there's certainly a lot of different other kinds of planes.
Well, there's a difference between a 7, a 5, and a 4. So this would be 4 is a smoothing plane. A 5 is what's called a jack plane. And a 7 is a joiner plane. And the difference across the board here is about 4 pounds, and that's heavy because of its bronze base. But this one's about 4 pounds. That one's about 8. So with a joiner, nice heavy plane like that gets, reduces the chatter as you're planing, and a nice wide base allows you to get nice flat faces that you can joint together. Well, with the joiner plane, what you want is a nice flat connection between 2 boards, so you can't probably really see them too well here. I just finished planing this with the joiner plane, and you can see, boom, they're just right together, perfectly flat.